Okay, so if you can follow and subscribe, that would be great. And I'm going to get straight into the next daily coding question, which looks like to be quite a simple one, which is D equals a dictionary, and it's got some key value pairs in there. A is 65, B is 66, and C is 67. And then we've got a print of D. And the question is, what do we get back out of here? Do we get this empty dictionary? Do we get a dictionary of tuples, or a set of tuples, I should say? We get something that looks like a dictionary, and I'm going to go for that one personally myself. Or do we get something that looks like a dictionary like this? And I think I'm going to go for C personally myself, because these things, the first parameter here will probably be converted into a string. But let's see what comes out of this. So we can do D equals dict, and then we can set A. I'll just use lowercase equals 65, B equals 66, and we can put them all on different lines. C equals 67. So that's our dictionary created, and then we can just do a print of D over here just like that, and we can run our piece of code, and indeed we do get a dictionary which is made up of key value pairs. So our typical dictionary, which looks like, if I do a, well actually I will put a comment there, it'll be like a key 1 and then a value 1, and then it would be a key 2 and a value 2. But when we do set a dictionary in this format here, the variable on the left hand side actually turns into a string. It's converted into a string. Now this has advantages and disadvantages, because we couldn't write something like, or we couldn't do a key that looked something like this. So if I was to convert this into a string, we could actually put spaces in the string. So an apple, we can do that here, but we would not be allowed to write an apple here just like that. We get an error message. We'd have to use an underscore. So the advantage of this is it looks quite nice in terms of formatting, getting the dictionary working, but the disadvantage is we can't use spaces in the notation. We'd have to use an underscore. But some people who use Python might actually prefer this, because anyway, we do tend to use a snake case like that. So that's dictionaries. That was our daily coding question, and that's dictionaries as a summary in Python. That was a relatively easy daily coding question.